In this video, I want to show you how you can take one eyeliner and use it not only for an eyeliner, you can also use it to fill in your eyebrows. You can also use it for eyeshadow, for contouring. You can use it for so many different things. And especially when traveling, you want to carry the least amount of makeup that can do the most to your face. This is a great hack for that. A great benefit of using an eyeliner like this for eyeshadow is that it has long wear properties to it. It's not going to budge. It's going to stay all day long. You can see it smears out really easy, but then it's going to stay put. I do not have an eyeshadow primer. Here I'm applying it as an eyeliner. You can see by not smearing it out how much darker it is. Grabbing a piece of tape and doing a wing is the easiest thing. You can see it just goes on, it glides on really, really nice. This is a dark brown color. Doing it in my cheek, I know you're like, huh, that's not gonna look good. Look at this. Look how good this turned out. It's awesome. This pencil is Maybelline Define-A-Line. You see it has a sponge at the end. I'm using that sponge for my eyebrows to blend it, using it on my waterline as well. The sponge helps for so many different things as well. Using the sponge to smear that out. Look at that. Now you can compare one side to the other. I just put some mascara on, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tip. This is a great tip for you girlies that don't want to purchase a lot of makeup, or you want to travel light, or you want something that does multiple things. One good eyeliner like this that has smudgeable capability to it is fantastic for multiple things. I could have even used this as a lip liner if I had wanted. This is just little tips and tricks that I know that I'm sharing with you guys, and hopefully you guys love as well. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. I appreciate you guys. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Be the best you can be. And let's continue this journey together. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.